We're RS Recovery Limited, predominantly recovery based. We do everything from light commercials all the way up to the heavy commercials. We use the workshop for our own fleet.
James Atkins, work for Totalkare as a project account manager. So we've put in pits, our Y-MECH brake testers, headlight testers.
We've also got 8 of the column lifts.
We've been doing them for over 40 years and are the market leader. 2
oil frames for the oil dispensers, so the lads can get oil and stuff from the front of the bays easy enough.
Continued into the HGV and LGV markets, trying to cover every basis within these workshops. So we now do light commercial lifts, heavy duty lifts, pits, brake testers, aircon machines and everything else needed to make up a commercial workshop.
We gutted the building ourselves. Taking everything out, and then once we took everything out, we decided sort of what we wanted. We gave Totalkare a call, got all the measurements, and got everything ordered from there, and obviously got it all installed.
Well, this was a colossal dig because in essence the pits have been put in across 3 bays, if you like. So they're then joined by an adjoining tunnel, which we've had to manufacture at 8 metres rather than the standard sort of 4 or 5, which was done in 2 to 3 weeks, to be honest. We also did the recessing for the Y-MECH lift that sits behind us, concreted to floor level, and then obviously put in the resin floor coating afterwards.
Good quality, good install, it's good quality stuff, and they've got the name to keep. Everything we came across, in an install this kind of size, there's always an issue somewhere down the line. Everybody sort of got together and sorted it out, what can we do to fix this, what can we do to fix that, and there was never any real problems.
We are geared up to deliver this kind of thing very well. We have lots of trusted partners in everything we do.
Totalkare have been very, very helpful along the way, and it's turned out really well, so yeah, I would recommend working with them a lot.